Welcome to Forever's new and improved filtering feature. Here we will show you how to use filters to organize, find, and rediscover all your beloved memories. With powerful filter categories and the ability to combine multiple filter options, you can locate any photo in seconds. Let's dive in. Start by clicking the filter button located below the page headline in your main gallery, as well as on individual album, tag, and person pages. The filter bar will conveniently slide out from the left-hand side, revealing all your filtering options. Filter by favorites, media type, date taken, people, tags, albums, and even specific organization features like whether items are not in an album or have not been tagged. Let's try it out. The first option, favorites, allows you to quickly filter and show only the photos you favorited. But it certainly doesn't end there. We can combine filter options to get more specific results. Use the media type filter to narrow results down to specific types of media: photos, videos, audio files, documents, and print projects. Let's limit our results to show only our favorite photos. If we'd like to find images within a specific date range, we can use the date range filter to allow us to restrict the results to a range between one specific day in the past and a more recent day. We can also use the quick filter options to easily filter results down to those specific ranges. If we've created or identified any people in our account, the filter can be used to find images and videos of any of those specific people. To find images that contain two or more specific people, simply use the search or drop-down within the people option to select the people you'd like to find. We can do the same thing with tags and albums. Filter by one tag or album, or by multiple at the same time. To make organizing even easier, you can use the quick filter options, not in any album and untagged, to quickly filter results to show only those items. Whether you're a professional photographer or simply managing memories, mastering these filters will streamline your workflow and enhance content organization. Explore additional features and tutorials on our website to maximize your content management experience.